Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wulan Sustari from Management Class 22A. I want to explain about risk and return. In financial regulation, there is the concept of risk and return. In financial management, this is what this term means. There are two aspects that need to be considered in financial management, namely risk and return financial management, or can be interpreted as risk and rate of return. Risk and return financial management usually exists in investment. The meaning of risk and return are the conditions explained by companies, institutions, and individuals in investment dedication, namely both loss and profit is an accounting period. The meaning of the term is risk and return. Risk can be said to be an opportunity for the loss to occur. In terms of investment, the loss is a loss of money. Risk means the possibility of an undesirable outcome occurring or the upside of the desired one. Meanwhile, the rate of return is the profit that will be obtained or can be interpreted as compensation. Compensation. In the case of investment, this compensation is option from inflation. The relationship between risk and return is a follow. One, it is linear or unidirectional. Two, the higher the rate of return, the higher the risk. Three, the greater the asset we place in investment decisions, the greater the risk arising from the investment. And four, linear conditions are only possible in normal markets. Also, read the article about understanding the high risk and return. If you invest in speculative stock, you are taking a risk and in the hope of earning a big return. The risk of an asset can be analyzed in two ways, namely as follows: one, by standing alone. These assets are considered spared. Standalone asset risk is the risk an investor will face in if an investor only holds one asset. Most assets are held in portfolios, but it is useful for understanding risk in the context of a portfolio. Investors dare to invest if the expected rate of return is high enough to compensate investors for the risk borne. Two, based on the number of portfolios. This asset is considered one of a number of assets in the portfolio, so risk and return have a close relationship. If you expect a high rate of return, then you must also be prepared for the risk you have to bear. If you expect big profit, then you must also be prepared for the chance of big loss. In the financial industry, there is a term that says high risk brings about high returns, which can be interpreted as the high risk borne will bring about the opportunity for large return as well. That's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and listening to me.